Hello from the Austin Peay State University Writing Center. In this video, we'll be going over dangling and misplaced modifiers. What are modifiers? Modifiers are words, phrases, or clauses that modify, and they qualify or limit the meaning of other words. They enhance clarity and description in a sentence, and they need to be placed correctly within the sentence so its meaning becomes clear. When placed incorrectly, they may confuse readers. What are dangling modifiers? A dangling modifier is defined as a common error that is a modifier that does not clearly modify another word or word group in a sentence. Dangling modifiers are words, phrases, or reduced clauses lacking an appropriate noun, noun phrase, or pronoun that modifies the original idea or subject of the sentence. Sometimes contain a form of the action verb, but the sentence has no clear subject performing that action. For example, crouched and ugly, the young boy gasped at the phantom moving across the stage. The boy is crouched and ugly in the sentence. To correct the sentence, move the modifier. The young boy gasped at the crouched and ugly phantom moving across the stage. Another example. After listening to Richie's speech, the mood in the room changed. The sentence shows the mood is what listened to the speech. To correct this sentence, reword the modifier. After Richie listened to the speech, the mood in the room changed. A misplaced modifier is a descriptive or qualifying word or phrase placed in the wrong position, confusing the reader. For example, I decided to cook my grandson some breakfast. I decided to cook my grandson? To correct this sentence, move the modifier. I decided to cook some breakfast for my grandson. Another example. I read about a wildfire that was out of control in yesterday's paper. In yesterday's paper shows where the wildfire was. To correct this sentence, place the modifier where it belongs. For example, in yesterday's paper, I read about a wildfire that was out of control. Modifiers, such as almost, even, hardly, just, and only, are clearest when they are placed right before the words they modify. Altering placement can alter meaning. For example, the committee can only nominate two members for the position. The committee cannot appoint or elect the two people to the position. The committee can simply nominate. That is all. Or, the committee can nominate only two members for the position. The committee cannot nominate more than two members. Another example, only the committee can nominate two members for the position, which means no person or group other than the committee can nominate members. Another example, place prepositional phrases and adjective clauses as close to the word or word group they modify. Misplaced phrases and clauses can cause confusion. For example, she recorded a song from the movie that was her favorite. The sentence shows the movie was her favorite when the writer actually meant the song for the movie was her favorite. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. If you have any further questions, please schedule an appointment with a writing tutor today, and let us help you avoid using dangling modifiers in your writing. We also have other resources available on our website and YouTube channel. Thank you so much.